We do Papa Christ as him yenga. Yeah, background and make a charge. You say, you say hello to Papa. Who cannot tambe? No, I better na can. No, this is what the Bible calls enemies of the cross. Yeah. The little foxes. Sacrament getting no a sage D. Until we make sure say yenu nyamia free ye boy ya home modern see the nukredi beteto. Yeah. Ye the nukredi beteto. Se bia me frɛ wa ma wa kwankyire bia nyame nka ye menye. Because e betu hintidua se unhu na akira. E betu hintidua. It Kofi drew pa na ebu mesano. Jisa kwankyere ne nye nyame na kai. Ene wa mama tam me dan aton ama no. E betu hintidua. So we will not do it. This is why we have drawn boundaries. When we will fear that. Yenu be yare. And Ramekachi did when she showed me the pictures. And I want to go and visit the woman because what I see in the pictures is a demonic attack. Yeah. But so be one of me will fear by emergency. No, I will not come. Yeah, I will not. The reason is because me person me too hintidia. Onipa wo yam fono ye. Ana woni. Woni wo yire no kura wo ho ewo mu a e wo se ewo mu a na wa ma yire tickets ka. Na wa fly to be a Kumasi. Na wa kodwodwo ne ho kakra. Obeba no na ne me na aye fresh again. Na mo to aso. Ana de me ga won dia say. Ada na me what am I ada. No. No. Who the one bomb mema woman somewhere dear wawadi be good. Because for baby anywhere will pay will be an somewhat tia and ma penny power woman some go wamakuma ye woman a ma pe woman. What you say? Women love people who are generous, who are benevolent, people who know how to give gifts. Do you know how to give gifts? What can I do? They know how to give gifts. Women love those people. Women, they love those people. Bema will be to my catch say, Jake McCarty, code number near 6439. Which woman won't love that person?